Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Code with AR. Today I'm going to teach you how to code in Python. PyBrick. First things, you gotta open PyBrick, and then you gotta click on this plus sign, and then create a file name. I'm gonna name it gd. Enter, and you also have to select your hub. I already did it, so that's why I created. I pressed the blue button that was there, and I created. And now we're gonna, on third line, we gotta type in here icon, capital I, and then 8. We're gonna start with line 8. So on line 8, we gotta type in press equals space square brackets, and then we're gonna enter for the next line. And then on line number 9, we're gonna type in while true, capital T. Okay, it's already here. True. Colons. Enter. And now we're going to type line number 10. We have to type in pressed. Right, already came pressed. Equals space, then equals space hub dot buttons dot pressed. Then we're going to do after pressed, since pressed is a variable, we had to do it's a function, so we had to do brackets, and we don't have to put anything in brackets. Enter, and then we're going to type in now we're going to do for the we're going to code the buttons. So first you gotta type in if space buttons, capital B, button dot left space. You gotta type in, and then my variable that I did, it is pressed. Press, and then next line. Oops, I forgot something. You have to do colon after press, the 2 dots, and then enter. So now we gonna type in hub dot display dot icon. Since we're doing left, we got and icon is a function, we got to do brackets. Brackets. And now inside the brackets, we're going to type in icon, capital I, icon, then icon dot, and since we're doing about left, you have to do arrow left here on the second left. And then since we're done with this, we're going to go to line number 13. And on line number 13, we got to do the same thing what we did on the left, but except we have to do it on right. So if, not capital, if button dot right, right, space in space pressed colon again, and then enter hub dot display dot icon, then icon is a function, so brackets, and inside we have to type an icon, capital I, don't forget icon, dot, and then there will be, we are censoring about our arrow right, then we got to arrow right here, and it looks like we're done. So now we're gonna play it and let's see if it works. I forgot indentation for if statement, so I have to move one space back, and same for the below line. And we are done now. And now play, and let me see. It works. See, this is how it should be working. Left arrow here and then here. And this is how it should be working. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Bye.